Alright, hey guys, we're back in 4-box break with box break number 2. It's the Evgeny Malkin Mark of Distinction we just pulled, and the Skinner as well.
We just have to show you. Just
Now here goes Dom trying to best my pulls.
Going to best your pulls.
So if he gets an
Everyone's
Immortal
rooting
Link,
for me as well.
yeah, whatever. Still have not seen an Immortal
Hull.
Ink or a Hull.
I want this guy right here. And this guy's decent, but we have him already. In fact, you're going to pull another one of his. Guaranteed.
Alright. Good luck, everyone. Here's box break number 2. Mike with peculiar methods to taking packs of the boxes.
That was pretty good, wasn't it? A little more. Maybe I didn't damage the cards. Pack 1. Base,
All
base,
bases.
base. I've said it a lot of times, but if you're interested in base cards, let me know. Hit Future Watch. Please don't be an auto, unless it's a hole. Okay, it's.
What team is it? Oh, I already read it.
We got a patch from this guy, Evan Brophy. I think Stefano Caiucci was the one that got the patch, wasn't it?
Hockey card trading selling.
Yep. He's actually supposed to sell us the spots, but he never came through. SP Essentials in this one. Tyler Myers, Buffalo Sabres. Number 4, 68 out of 1999. You know what? I'm gonna put the fat packs in the pile because last time I screwed up. So I have to beat a Skinner auto, Marks of Distinction of Malkin, and a Dust. Big Dust. Alright, so those are 4 fat packs. I don't know if I should switch it up and open them now, but I guess not.
Do whatever you need to do, no? Or
Base, base. Why am I holding them inside? Dowdy base. Someone told me that they like Dowdy and who was it? I can't remember. Anyways, you got a favorite player, you want his base, let me know. Bases. This one's really thin. SP Essentials. Pecorine. Nashville Predators hit. So we haven't gotten that big hit for Edmonton in this 4-box break yet. We did get that Gretzky, so I don't know how much that's worth, but I'd never be upset with Gretzky. It's Future Watching here. I don't think it's auto though. Yeah, I was right. Nick Holden. Got it. I think it's my 3rd Nick Holden Future Watch. That guy's a plum. We are approaching the 4-minute 35-second mark. Henrik Sedin base. Here's a Future Watching here. I don't think this is autograph as well. 985 by 999, Alex Vazunov, New Jersey Devils. Let me get that card as well. broke weird. There's a hit in here too.
So far, Mike has not pulled good enough cards.
At all. And they're just screwing with me now. Lanny McDonald. Calgary. Castle and Pavelski. Base. So far, this box has been
Quite average.
quite shitty.
Let's build 2 more signatures.
Immortal Inks would be nice. Hopefully, it comes as just unsuspenseful as possible, like the marks of distinction. I was talking during the whole thing. Base. Okay. Maybe they want to save the best for last in this box. I don't know. SBS. No, Hollow Effects. Toronto. I saw that. Dion Phaneuf. Hollow Effects.
Haven't seen much of him in the set.
Nope. It's because he's not playing as well as he did before.
Ooh, I see something.
Please be a duo. Please. I think it's a sign of time. No, it's in Essentials.
Oh,
Mike Modano.
just retired.
Yep. I think I just sent one of these off to Don Tyne a few days ago. He's in the frick. Congrats. Bases. What's that? 4 packs left, including this one. So, and then there's 4 fat packs. There's Hollow Effects in this one. John Tavares. We just got his Hollow Effects die cut. Box break 10, I think. It's on eBay. eBay are a bunch of crooks. And people that buy off eBay sometimes can screw us.
Oh, here's a
Redemption.
redemption.
Okay. I don't know what we want to do with this.
Should probably save it. Just build up the suspense.
I'm excited. Whew. Okay. Dear collector. Okay, so we're going to do that lastly. That's after the fat packs. So we have 2 things to look forward to. 3 actually. 1, me opening. 2, the fat packs. And 3, me turning this over. Oh, that's an Immortal Inks, like Gretzky. Oh, crazy hits. I think the last time we got a redemption, we got like Ekman Larson, Future Wash. Then we got Cam Fowler as well, didn't we?
Oh, it's not too bad.
Yeah, but still.
$15.
$15, yeah. Really. He's a good defenseman, though. Fat packs.
4 packs.
Decoy. But I think there's a hit in there. I could be wrong. Base. So, you guys.
I think by the odds, we are guaranteed a patch in this one.
No, I don't think so. I was reading up there's only 2 cases per case.
No, it's 1 per 12 packs. 1 per 24 packs.
No, that's not right.
Or 48 packs, yeah, that's right.
No.
It says right on the back of the box.
Okay, well then we should get the next 2 boxes, 2 patches. I don't think that's how it works, but whatever. 2 fat packs left. Oh, a patch!
Oh, what do you know?
Look like Dom isn't so useful. Useless, I should say. Okay.
Cross your fingers, ladies and gentlemen.
Please be a hole. Damn it. This is the first patch I ever opened up. Oh, it's an
upside down. That looks
That's
like,
an Edmonton.
That looks like
Oh.
Oilers.
Eberle.
Oilers. Oh
And-
my God! Another Eberle.
Holy shit. Pardon my language. Holy shit again. And another crease in the side. That is crazy. Look what Upper Deck does. I did
Upper
not
Deck
do
does
that.
Not like Eberle.
Oh, that's crazy. Our other Eberle had a crease in the side. I don't know what to do with that. That's disappointing. Still a sweet card. At least $200 there. So I don't know. I think I'm winning. I beat.
I think with that card, don't.
I'm opening up box number 4. No, 3. Jeff can open.
4. I got 3.
Let's call you Jeff.
I thought that was a haul for sure.
Base. Let's use the
What
winner.
a 2-box.
Let's use the winner of this Edmonton card.
Hey, wait.
K. Moriarty. Congratulations. You got a sweet hit.
Okay, well, let's take a look at this redemption.
Okay, redemption time. It's got to be an autograph. There's only 2. This is an autograph, guys. I'm going to look at it first, okay?
No.
It's out of 99. $9.99, but it's a pretty sweet hit. Not a haul, but pretty close. Nice hit. PK Subban.
Bunch
Beautiful.
of goodies in these last 4 boxes.
Yeah. Wow. So, yeah, that concludes the second box. So we got Subban. So I beat Jeff. Dom. Eberle. And, yeah. I guess the rest are just a bunch of dusters, as you can see. Wow. That's incredible. This has just been incredible. 2 more boxes, too. Stay tuned.